So in SolidWorks, there's three different types of files. If you just click on this button right here, this will give you the new file button. And these are the three different types of files that you'll be working with. So we're gonna start with the most basic file. We're gonna start with the part file right here. If you just double click, this opens up a part file. And before we can even draw any 3D shape, we always have to go and sketch. And to sketch, we can only sketch on two different types of surfaces, either a flat face or a plane. So in this instance, we don't have anything drawn right now. So if we click on our planes, so if you select the top plane right here, you're going to be able to draw on this top plane. If you select the right plane, you can draw on the right plane. And if you select the front plane, you can draw on the front plane. So let's draw on the top plane. These are our most important tools. So if I wanted to draw a line, I would just click and draw a line and then press escape. If I wanted to draw a center rectangle, I would just click on it and I can choose from different types of rectangles. So this one starts at the center. This one starts from the corner, and a circle tool as well is also available. This one is a circle, and this also is a arc tool. So if I draw an arc, I can also use that tool. And the straight slot tool, if I just use that, that's how you use the tool. And I can choose different methods as to how I want to start using the tool. So this one starts in the center, like so. And this one starts at the end, like so. So you can always switch between the main tools right here, and you always need to sketch before you can make it into a 3D drawing. So let's just delete everything here. And let's create a center rectangle that is positioned in the origin. So you'll see that if I put my mouse over the origin, you'll see this yellow relationship appear, and you'll see that I can draw a rectangle. And if I go into features, I can extrude it like so, and click yes. Now if I want to go back and edit my sketch, I can drop down and right click on this and click on edit sketch, and this will allow me to edit the sketch. So I can also rotate the model around if I use the middle mouse button. So by clicking the middle mouse button, I can rotate it around. I can also change my orientation by clicking on this orientation tool right here, and I can choose isometric. I can also pan around by holding the control key and the middle mouse button to pan around my drawing. And I can also select different tools by holding the right mouse click button and dragging either to the left to get the line tool, and to the bottom to get the rectangle tool, and to the right to get the circle tool, and up to get a dimensioning tool, which we'll discuss later. I can also zoom in and zoom out by scrolling. And also right here, I can change my units to whichever units I want. So usually I like to draw in MMGS, so it exited the sketch. So let's go back and edit the sketch. So when we're editing a sketch, we're always in sketch mode, and we always want to keep a habit of exiting the sketch by clicking on this button right here, or clicking on this button right here. And that way we can exit the sketch mode, and then we can perform any other features that we need. So that's just a good practice that we need to do. So if I'm editing it, I just have to click on this button right here, and that will exit out of sketch mode, and then I can use any other feature I want. So that's a very good habit.